Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister are very well. I come back with another crypto rate video. Uh, Before I introduce my YouTube channel is Crypto and Travel News. I have two part, one part crypto rate video uploaded in this and other part travel related video uploaded in this side. If you get those information, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notifications very fastly. Okay, so every day I try to update it, any information about crypto trading. So if you want to get any information in crypto trading, please stay with me. And how to stay must be subscribe my channel. Okay, so that's the main topic of this site. We have to try to share for earning related site. So I have always time share to trusted site and for your earning. Okay, now I share with you a new site. Is the mining related site. This site name is Ubud. Okay, it's the new mining site. Already have I joining this site. Okay, so this site is coming to came to be few days ago. I have already joined it, and the site is fully payment to every each member. So if you want to earning this their site, you must be join this. Okay, so how to join this site, I will process you. Okay, some now I uh, go to the site main uh, dashboard. uh, how to link. If you watch this video and come to on video description box, here is this link available here. So when you click this option, you come to this dashboard. Here is this dashboard. Is this if you choose English, and that's mean American language, and if you want to Russian language, you can select this. Okay, I also follow the American language. The robot traders use like that. So some share your this information this site. When you come to this site and fill correctly registration, you get 30 USD bonus free for mining. So please click this option, and now and fill up your all information. Please type your login user ID uh, and type your password 2 times. Okay, then you click this register option. I fill up this. Alhamdulillah, I will fill up this. Now I am click this register option. Oh, also some problem here. I will back to soon. This is the process of joining this site. Okay, um, you come to this your dashboard. That's mean your cabinet, and it will be mining started. Okay, So how to get you another 6 USDT? So here is some problem now because of IP is warning. That reason I cannot make another account. So that's the uh, review for inshallah I will try to now. First off, when you joining this site, you get 30 USDT. Then you come to this option, uh, some below down, and click this option. You have to subscribe this competition. When you click this, it will be subscribe, and you get 3 USDT bonus. And also you click this option, subscribe the Telegram community, you get uh, 3 USDT bonus, and total USDT bonus you receive 36. Okay, if you invite any member, you get 8 USDT bonus per person. Okay, here is some referral update from 7%, 3%, 1%. So here is a top up option. You can deposit your uh, dollar in this way. As I click this top up option, bank card, uh, uh, bank card, and other electronic way. So ability card, prayer, and also perfect money. If you deposit by coin cryptocurrency, you can deposit Tether, Binance USDT coin, and DAI, and other crypto related coin also. You can use this for deposit. So go to have you if you want to change your wallet information, you can do this. If you transfer your dollar, you can select this transfer option. You can withdraw from pair, perfect money, ABT cash, Q wallet. You can use this cryptocurrency, Tron, and Dogecoin, bank card, Visa, Mastercard, and Mir. So very using way of for cryptocurrency. Go to your wallet number, must be Tron wallet. Okay, and withdraw amount. Minimum withdraw amount 1 USDT. Otherwise, you cannot withdraw from this site. Okay, so if you want to change your language, click this. Okay, so what have you history and partner. If you want to invite any partner, first level, second level, third level, you get a 731% from the site. Have you change any information, you can do this change information. Okay, so you can change your password and other information. This is a payment proof site. I hope you will joining this site and must be earning from this site, and invite any member. So if you get any member, you will get 7% to 1% every each referral. So that's the end of video. What's the comment of this site? You can share your comment in my video comment box. Have your question, you can type your question. I will try to reply with you. So that's the end of video. Pray for me every time. Remember to Allah. Don't miss out for joining. আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ।